Welcome back, everybody. Update for SMCI for tomorrow earnings because we expected high revenue. Before we go further to discuss the price action, remember our content here is just for education purposes. We're not for provide any financial advice. So do you do this before you put your money on the line. And remember, guys, SMCI reporting earnings tomorrow after hours. And of course, we expecting better earnings from last time on 6th of May. We have negative or deficit almost 8%, around 4.6 billion. And now we're expecting better revenue around almost 6 billion. So guys, if we got almost 6 billion worth of revenue, this will be a great indicator that we're gonna have a nice FOMO pump for SMCI after hours tomorrow. So we're gonna discuss what is gonna happen, of course, for today, because today we have 4% jump for SMCI, a good reversal from the dip that we did last Thursday. And you see what's happened here. We have a nice dip, guys, almost 11%, and now 4% reversal before the earnings. So tomorrow we might have a reaction, a retest for the 62, and during the earnings or after hours we might have the test around the 72 and 66, because this jump will be almost 17%, 15%, as we did before we have a pullback, as we said. Then we have another jump after 1 week. For now, we might have the jump during the earnings, and this is of course will be confirmed if tomorrow we held the 55 and we break the 62.40 to go toward almost around the 73, which is the current resistance and the ultimate level of profit taken for SMCI. So this is a quick update for you guys, because yes, we have a nice jump for SMCI and AMD, and of course even AMD doing all right, almost 4% for it, and going toward again the resistance around the 185. So even AMD tomorrow reporting earnings for after hours. Yes, the Q4 earnings for AMD. Guys, semiconductors is the everybody looking at them. The biggest one, SMCI and AMD. Nvidia, I think, it is reported earnings early on. Let's see if Nvidia already reported earnings. Is the same 4%, the same gains. Let's see here. Yeah, for Nvidia at the end of August. So all the eyes is right now on SMCI and AMD, and I think the same buyer who bought SMCI, AMD, someone buying the semiconductors right now very heavily, because all of them are at all-time high. AMD already at all-time high. So guys, let me know in comment section below where the price will go, and of course make sure to tune in tomorrow on our live streaming that we're gonna do early on our YouTube 30 minutes before the market open, and after that at our Discord and Patreon. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join our Hunter channel, where we discuss many stocks early on. And of course, today we discuss PPM. And of course, one of our hunter Dixer just took his profit on this trade. We got a really good trade mini stocks before. So the link comes section below, guys, for our Discord if you want to join. And thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.